Meron talagang kailangan imbestigahan because there are huge amount of money na na-involved dito. If you recall, there was no bidding na ginawa rito. Tapos unliquidated. So marami na kailangan tingnan. That's why I'm creating a unit ngayon, a task force na composed of our financial unit, financial investment unit, saka financial investigation unit, saka ang aming special action unit to investigate on the matter. Kung sa kailangan natin siyang tanungin, we will respectfully ask him and to give light to this. And I'm sure si Senator Alan, kung siya kasama rin dito, I'm sure that he will appreciate na maimbestigahan natin dito ng maayos.
Si Gio, wala.
Yan, si Gio. Oh. Si Sian.
Ano po, si Miss MJ, si Jenison.
Sige, alright.
Jenison.
Bago ako umalis ko, tama lang.
Yun.
Okay. Alright.
Sige, sir. Okay na?
Okay na po.
Sir, first po, we want to clarify yung sinabi niyo po kahapon. Medyo vague kasi, sir. Sabi niyo may malaking kasong nakaabang on the SEA Games po na sports complex. So, wait na, sir. May possible po ba na na-identify na po kayo, nakakasuhan niyo?
Well, we just received information tungkol dun sa pangyayari dun sa Peace Corps, yung Philippine SEA Games Organizing Committee, no? And we in possession of documents already na meron talagang kailangan imbestigahan because there are huge amount of money na na-involved dito. If you recall, there was no bidding na ginawa rito. Tapos unliquidated. So marami na kailangan tingnan. That's why I'm creating a unit ngayon, a task force na composed of our financial unit, financial investment unit, saka financial investigation unit, saka ang aming special action unit to investigate on the matter. We will coordinate with the SEC, the COA, and also will seek help of the BCDA para magkaroon ng clear dito. As we speak now, wala pa naman tayong sasabihin na na-identify, but there are already personalities na nakikita natin doon sa dokumento, sa initial na pumasok sa atin.
Okay, sir.
Sir, bakit, just for the record, bakit po may renewed interest po dito sa pag-investiga sa SEA Games? Although, field na siya ng controversies before, and, the head of PhysCog was Alan Peter Cayetano.
Well, I'm aware of that. He's the chairman of PhysCog, So, hindi naman to renewed interest. It so happen na may mga lumabas kayo na dokumento which will lead us to investigate. Kasi lahat naman talaga ng issue na pumapasok dito with regards to corruption or anything, even ordinary cases, pag dinala sa amin, we will investigate, So, it so happen, this is medyo controversial, narinig ko naman yan, nakita ko yung mga news noon. So once and for all, we settle it kung meron ba talagang dapat managot o wala, or kung ano talaga yung investigation. So, kailangan nating magkaroon ng report dito.
Sir, for the record lang, kasi di ba, you were saying yesterday na you have visited the place in Clark for the NBI Academy.
Yes,
so this
yes.
is incidental lang po sa pagbisita nyo, just for the record lang.
Incidental lang to kasi we are very thankful with BCDA for providing us 70 hectares for our NBI Academy. At the same time, nakita natin doon yung sports complex na malaki. And sumunod dito, may mga pumasok nga sa atin na documents and informations that will lead us to come out with the investigation.
Sir, how can, of course, baka lang makulayan na naman ang politika kasi, syempre, kahit hindi kayo, parang lagi kayong nagbabangayan kasi ni Senator Cayetano. So, how can the public be assured na this will be an important investigation?
Unang-una, hindi naman ako nakikipagbangayan sa kanya. I'm always respectful to everybody, especially to the member of the Senate. It so happens siguro na siya involved dito, At tayo naman, ang record naman ng NBI, we'll always go where the evidence will lead us, kung ano yung batas, kung ano yung proseso. So, kung sa kailangan natin siyang tanungin, we will respectfully ask him and to give light to this. And I'm sure si Senator Alan, kung siya kasama rin dito, I'm sure that he will appreciate na maimbestigahan natin dito ng maayos.
Sir, regarding sa impeachment, you have confirmed that you will go sa Senate sa Monday.
Yes.
Are we expecting, what are we expecting po na from the NBI side po sa pag-testify niyo po?
Well, we will answer kung ano yung queries and questions according to our personal knowledge and kung ano yung naging takbo ng ating investigasyon, kung ano yung ebidensya at kung ano yung proseso. That will be the guarantee that we will go. We will be very participative dun sa pagiging investigasyon nila.
Sir, are we expecting more witnesses from NBI since the director will be a witness na po? Are we expecting more witnesses from the NBI side po?
That is not for me to decide. It's probably the prosecution, and if the defense needs it, sila yan. Of course, ang ating impeachment court ang makakasagot niyan.
So in coordination kayo with Director Santiago kasi siya ang NBI chief nung Finalio.
Well, when I came here, I don't know yung findings eh. No? So if there are things that I have to clear with him, then I will not hesitate to ask questions.
Pero
sa
to
kanya.
be clear sa DOJ, under review pa din yung sinampang complaint ng NBI.
I think it's submitted for resolution long time ago. So hopefully there's a decision but it's up to the DOJ. That is their discretion.
Sir, doon naman sa deworming po, ano na po yung release? Kasi parang huling sabi sa amin ng Monday, ililibing na daw kasi ni...
Well, yung deworming, there was an autopsy conducted already and toxicology also. Kausap ko lang yung doctor just now, so they're asking for 2 weeks to complete it. So tingnan natin, I don't want to make any pronouncement as we speak now. So ang detalye lang na nabigay nga sa akin is that they already performed the toxicology and the autopsy, And ang information pala, marami na pinagamitan ng deworming. Chinek ko kung ano yung ginamit. That is the standard na ginagamit na pampurga.
So yung autopsy, ngayon na po naganap, kahapon?
Hindi ko alam yung date, but they're asking for me to give the report within the 2-week period.
May iba pa po ba kayong imbestigahan doon? Like yung mismong school?
That is a subject of investigation by our homicide division.
Okay, sir.
Nasa homicide
Sir,
division.
so nagkaroon na po ng coordination sa DepEd.
I'm sure na nag-coordinate na yung mga tao namin.
Sir, regarding this sa lawyer, sir, na last time ng NBI, so meron po ba tayong update doon, sir, kung ano na po sa
Na-inquest na
DOJ?
siya. Napaila na siya ng case.
Saan po siya na-impress?
Hindi ko alam kung sa NPS siya dinala or kung sa Taguig kasi doon nahuli yan eh. Okay.
So, are we expecting, sir, na mag-file na po ng case dun sa
Yeah,
DOJ?
when na-inquest yan, definitely there's already been a case na na-file yan.
Fair.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.